Engaging video advertisements have the potential to significantly enhance conversions and sales by effectively capturing the attention of prospective customers. Research findings indicate that online shoppers who watch demonstration videos are 1.8 times more inclined to make a purchase compared to non-viewers. Within this tutorial and review, we will delve into the key elements necessary to elevate your dropshipping endeavor and cease reliance on subpar advertisement. The focal point of this transformation lies in the utilization of viral e-com ads, a platform widely renowned for its ability to create top-tier video advertisements across various channels. We will explore how you can acquire high-converting video ads for your dropshipping business at the most competitive rates, with a specific focus on the services offered by viral e-com ads. Welcome to Money Hunt. Viral e-com ads stands as the most prominent video editing company on a global scale, specializing in dropshipping. With an impressive track record, they have produced over 50,000 video ads for more than 25,000 clients. The company's owners are active participants in the e-commerce field and have generated a staggering $30 million in sales, attributing their success to the videos created by viral e-com ads. Their expertise lies in designing proven-to-convert video ads, which employ a proven strategy that the owners themselves have utilized to identify success and scale their own stores. To benefit from a flat 15% discount on all services offered by viral e-com ads, simply click on the link provided in the description and use the code MONEYHUNT. Upon clicking the link in the description, you will be directed to a page where satisfied customers can be seen reaping the financial rewards of such advertisements. Impressive numbers indeed. By exploring the available video ad options and packages, you can consider the range of offerings provided. The first option is the split testing video ad package. For a cost of $60, this package provides 4 distinct video ad variations for a single product, demonstrating its value in running effective Facebook ad campaigns. Remember, by using the code MONEYHUNT, you can take advantage of a flat 15% discount. We will explore the process of placing an order later in the video. Additionally, there are various other packages available, such as the video package, TikTok package, and more. In response to the diverse needs of clients, there are also combo packages, vertical packages tailored for stories or reels, and animation ad packages. For those seeking to achieve viral success on TikTok, Viral e-com ads offers TikTok organic video packages as well. The TikTok video ad package, featuring 3 different ad variations for a single product, has shown great potential in generating substantial sales. Moreover, do not overlook the availability of image ads, which offer a more cost-effective alternative to video ads. These visually appealing image ads are worth considering. The image ad split testing package, for instance, provides 5 ad variations for one product at a cost of $50. Viral e-com ads even offers an animation ad package, catering to those interested in adding animated videos to their marketing efforts. Now, let me present the website's most notable feature, the VIP membership program. By signing up for this program, you can enjoy an impressive 75% discount and benefit from 24-hour fast delivery. Once you become a VIP member, all services will be available at a discounted rate of 75%. For instance, if you were to purchase the aforementioned testing ad package for Facebook, the price would be reduced to $15, down from $60. Undoubtedly, this presents an amazing opportunity. The monthly cost of the VIP membership stands at an affordable $50, making it an ideal option if you anticipate a high demand for video ads. Choosing this membership will lead to substantial cost savings. Now, allow me to demonstrate the process of placing an order. Suppose you wish to order the TikTok ad package. Simply click on the package and proceed to select Buy It Now. This action will redirect you to the checkout page, where you will need to provide your personal information, including your email address and credit card details. Enter the discount code MONEYHUNT and click on Apply to activate the flat 15% discount. As you can see, the discount is successfully applied. I hope this video has proven helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Until the next video, take care and goodbye.